Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to crop a video in Capcut. We will start by opening our Capcut application and entering an already created project or a new one. After that, we add the video that we want to edit. Next, click on the video file and at the bottom look for the edit option to click on it. Then click on crop. In this window, we can start by rotating the image with the marker we see if we need it. At the bottom, we can see that we have different set crop ratios that we can apply. If you want, you can also use free or manual mode to do the cropping. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you finish, apply the changes by clicking on the check below. Finally, we will see our cropped video and we can export it if we want. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.